I'm Dr. Gable with Inspire Smiles, and we are here to transform the experience of dentistry. One of the ways we do that is by focusing on preventative care. Preventative care means that we see our patients on a regular basis and we assess their individual needs based on their specific signs, symptoms, and conditions. So we take into consideration everything that we see in their mouth. So things like level of bacteria, the type of bacteria that people have, levels of inflammation. So we measure all of those things, and we also assess them within parameters of their systemic health. So a lot of systemic conditions have a link to the oral health. So once we identify all of those things and take everything into consideration, we design a personalized individual plan for care. For preventative services, we utilize what's called guided biofilm therapy approach. And what that means is that biofilm is a sticky bacterial matrix that forms around teeth. It actually calcifies and forms hardened deposits that cannot be removed, even if we have the most amazing, perfect home care, which of course we encourage as well. It cannot be removed at home. So it does require professional removal, and we utilize Airflow Master, which is the best highly researched and also clinically proven instrument that allows us to remove not only hardened deposits and remove like physical debris, but also break up the biofilm. So it's sticky bacterial matrix that's below the gum line, and it cannot be removed, or at least proven to be removed by anything other than Airflow Master. And the way that Airflow Master works is it uses glycine and erythritol powder to break up the biofilm first, remove all the stains, and then it has very specific, finely engineered tips to go below the gum line and remove any hardened deposits below the gum line. At the end, it also creates some biostimulation to the tissues and allows for better healing and better recovery and sustaining the health that we achieve through the preventative care appointment. And the way that Airflow Master is different than most instruments that are utilized in dental practices is that it's designed, engineered, and fabricated in Switzerland, and they use the same technology, same level of high-end engineering as Swiss watches such as Vacheron Constantin and others that are famous for their just high degree of engineering and also the quality. So it is that level of quality for the instruments. They're very, very fine. They're very atraumatic and gentle, so they don't scratch restorative materials such as like bonding. When there's especially aesthetic bonding on the front teeth, when we use instruments during preventative appointments, they scratch the surfaces and they create a roughness that attracts stain. So this tip does not do that. It actually creates perfect smooth surface without damaging the restorative surfaces of teeth or restorations. And it also provides protection for things like veneers and crowns that people have either in their back teeth or especially in the front teeth. When you invest time, energy, and money into getting your smile beautiful, the last thing that we would want is to actually roughen that surface through the preventative appointment. So these tips, and especially the powders, they're amazing at making sure that we keep everything safe. We also clinically remove the biofilm that creates disease, and we protect teeth. It does not require a lot of hand scaling like what people are used to, which also is significantly less traumatic to the tissues. It's also more efficient and effective, and it produces an amazing result, and the experience of it is beautiful. It's fun, and your mouth feels great and amazing, fresh and super smooth. And another great part of it is that a lot of people, well, they have sensitive teeth for whatever reason, so the instrument actually utilizes warm water, and that warm water creates, again, just a positive, happy, very kind of healing and comfortable experience, which makes our patients just love coming to see us and love getting their preventative appointments done. And that's what we're here to do with our stand for transforming the experience. It is a beautiful experience, and we know you will love it.